this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something cool and new. This is Angry Chapaguri. So it's a spicy version of Chapaguri, also known as Ramadan, made popular by the, what's that movie called? Parasite? I haven't seen it. I don't see real well, so subtitles really ain't my thing, but here we go with this. Let's see how this goes. There's that. You bring it to a boil, you put all the stuff in, and then you kind of stir it around for 5 minutes. I think it says 5 minutes. So that's good, a good deal. Sauce base, and yeah, this is gonna be a mukbang, so you won't see me taste it in this video, but there will be a mukbang where I eat the whole thing. So yeah, and then we have the oil right here, like so. Let's get this going. I'm guessing this oil has a little bit of spicy to it. I don't know how spicy this is gonna be. I'm really curious. I don't know if it's gonna be like ultra spicy or just spicy. So yeah, we're all learning here, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see what happens. But, sure. Come on, come to a boil. So yesterday, I ended up walking 14 miles. I walked from here to Bothell to, from Kenmore to Bothell to Kenmore to Lake Forest Park to Shoreline to the sign that says welcome to Seattle, and then I walked maybe like a half mile past that, and then it turns out there was a big sign that said trail closed ahead because of heavy construction equipment. It's like, oh, that really bums me out. But the last thing I want is for this thing to boil over. So it says bring it to a boil. Double check this. 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna set the timer. 5 minutes. It boils. So let's let this stir a little bit. There we go. Yeah, this should be interesting. So it's a combination of Chapaguri, which is a jajang noodle. So it's like a black bean sauce noodle, and Noguri, which is a spicy seafood variety that Nongshim makes as well. And combining the two is really popular to do. So I did it years ago. I want to say like Nongshim was like, hey, you should try doing this. And I was like, okay. So I did a video making this manually. So I took like a pack of Noguri and a pack of Chapaguri, and I made them both at the same time in a pan, and it was pretty good. That was a long time ago. Wow. Well, what's funny about it is I thought, you know, what would look neat is the Chapaguri logo cut in half and the Noguri logo cut in half, and I guess they agreed because the logo that I made looks exactly like that. So that's cool. Makes sense. I mean, I'm sure they thought about that before I did. But anyways, yeah. Okay. So it's getting all slappy-dappy. This looks like it's supposed to be a lot dry. Well, it is in kind of a bowl. We'll see how it goes. I think getting it out of here into a different vessel is going to be the difficult part, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, went out, did a bunch of walking, got a nice big old blood blister on my toe, and got rid of that last night. And yeah, so weather's gonna be nice again today, so I'm gonna try to do the whole thing all over again. Maybe walk even further. I don't know about that. I have a feeling, I feel great right now, but I have a feeling my feet are gonna be like, dude, come on. I used to do a lot more in a day, but a lot of that was walking back and forth doing laps in the apartment, and I don't know, I can't do that anymore. I'm really burnt out on that. And at least we got nice weather, so that's a good thing. But yeah, yesterday I had like a big huge thing of instant noodles and a bunch of tofu, and then like ate all that and then got out and walked. So I'll do a mukbang with this stuff and see how that goes. Probably go fine. Yeah. This looks like a lot of food. Turn it up a little bit. I'm guessing the idea, because it mentions you want to use an 8-inch skillet, and I'm guessing that's what this is. I mean, it looks about right to me. But a lot of the moisture will evaporate off while it's cooking. So there's still a lot of liquid here. But then again, it's noguri, which is a soup, and chapaguri, which is a not soup. I'm trying to get a gauge of the spiciness. I'm just not getting a big whiff of super spicy here. But time will tell. On the next episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. So yeah. Bubble, 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 bubble. But yeah, I don't know, I like getting out and walking and doing that kind of stuff. It's fun. It's groovy. Yep. Yeah, it's got these little fish cake in here. Oh yeah, see, it's thickening up. Okay, really? Is it? Let's see what the package looks like. It looks pretty moist. That looks pretty darn moist. So I guess I'll go with that. Looks good to me. I was going to use a plate, but there's so much liquid that I don't think that's going to work very well. So let me find a bowl. What bowl do I want to use? I'm going to use this one. And yeah, like I said, this is going to be a mukbang, so you're not going to see me eat this right now. Alright. Not like that. Yeah, there you go. Okay. lot of little bits and pieces in here. I'm guessing that's seaweed too. And being put some. Oh no. A little bit of that. I don't want that there. Come on, sucker. Pretty light on any kind of garnish since it is a mukbang. But yeah. It's angry, it says. I don't know what I did to make it angry. Alright. Oh! I swear, this cord likes to hop right out. And out of here too, jeez. There you go. Look up spicy noodle mukbang, angry Chapaguri, and you'll probably find what I'm about to do next. Especially if you look up professional mukbang. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.